Yo, what up? I'm Coach RT3 and this is Not a What and We're the Upgrade Guys. Today we're going to talk about an option that you can utilize for hip external rotation or to gain more room in hip external rotation. So I'm going to have Nat adjust the bench here to an angle that will take him to his end range of external rotation. Allow him to be in this position comfortably. Here he's going to search around and he's going to root around in his left side to find a line of tension that he can feel back here in the capsule of this left hip. Once he finds an area that he wants to work on and he wants to train and he can find a line of tension or stretch, he's going to hold that for about 2 minutes, exactly 2 minutes at least. And then after that 2 minutes, what he's going to do is he's going to begin to create what's called a Pales contraction, which is a progressive contraction into internal rotation. What that means is he's going to take this part of his foot and he's going to start to make it heavy against the bench. He's going to keep the knee in the same position that it's in while he gets heavier and heavier up to his greatest, safest effort. Once he's reached his greatest, safest effort, he's going to reverse that and try to make this part of his foot very light on the bench and going into more external rotation. Now he's not going to be able to move his leg here because he's at end range of external rotation. But this is a great way for you to train external rotation. It's definitely better than 90-90, which you might have to set yourself up in with adjusted positions, and it's definitely more accessible and better than doing a pigeon pose, which is way beyond anyone's range of external rotation in the first place. So give that a try. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Like this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Upgrade your shit.